In today's video, I'm going to show you how to completely reset your WordPress website and start fresh. This technique is perfect if your website feels messy and overloaded, or you simply wish to begin with a clean slate. Let's jump right into it. The first step is to log into your WordPress dashboard. To do this, navigate to your website's login page and enter your admin account credentials. Once you're signed in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard, which is your command center for managing your site. Next up, you'll need to install a reset plugin. This tool will help us restore WordPress to its default settings without fuss. On the left-hand side menu, locate and click on Plugins, then select Add New. You'll then see a search bar. Type the word Reset in this bar. Among the options that appear, look for one called Advanced WordPress Reset. When you find it, click on the Install button. Once the installation is complete, go ahead and click Activate to enable the plugin. With the plugin activated, it's time to run the reset tool. Head over to the Tools section on the left menu and select Advanced WordPress Reset. Here, you'll notice a field where you need to type reset, making sure to use all capital letters. This is an important step as it confirms that you want to proceed with the reset. After typing reset, go ahead and click the reset button. This action will reset your WordPress database, essentially returning your site to its original default state. Think of it as giving your WordPress a fresh restart. Once the reset is complete, you'll be back at your dashboard. Now it's time to remove any unnecessary plugins that came back or are no longer needed. Navigate to Plugins. Installed plugins. Here, review your list of plugins and deactivate, then delete any that you no longer need. Clearing out these extras helps keep your site running smoothly and more efficiently. After cleaning up your plugins, it's a good idea to tidy up your themes as well. For this, go to Appearance Themes. You'll want to delete any extra themes that aren't in use, leaving only your main theme active. This ensures you have a clean workspace to begin building your site anew. Finally, it's worth checking your website, so open your browser and visit your WordPress site. You'll observe that it now looks like a brand new WordPress installation, completely clean and ready for you to rebuild it with fresh ideas. And there you have it, you've successfully deleted your WordPress website and started with a clean slate. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more WordPress tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy website building!